Welcome to the presentation on 10th grade course selection for current freshmen. When selecting your classes for high school, you should take into account what you need to graduate from high school, what you might need to prepare yourself for college and career readiness, what you might need to prepare yourself for career-based learning and the world of work. You also must meet AASD graduation requirements, which include 4 years of English, 3 years of science, 3 years of social studies, 3 years of math, a semester of health, a year of fine arts, 1.5 credits in Phi-Ed over the course of at least 3 years, a PFM or Intro to Econ class, and then elective credits. So you need 23 credits minimum to graduate from high school. If you plan on going to a 4-year college after high school, our requirements match up very well with many of the admission requirements for the University of Wisconsin system and Wisconsin private colleges. Some of those schools may have world language requirements. You have opportunities to earn college credit at Appleton East. If you would like to earn credit from the Fox Valley Technical College, we have advanced standing classes, dual credit classes, and the Start College Now program. See your school counselor if you're interested in any of these. If you would like to earn credit for a public or private 4-year college, we have AP classes, CAP classes, and the Early College Credit Program. See your school counselor if you want more information. Also, some colleges take college credit for Project Lead the Way courses. To find out what courses are available, you can check the course planning guide, which is located on the Appleton East homepage under counseling, under academics, under course planning. In the course planning guide, there is a listing of all the course numbers and titles for the Appleton high schools. If you click on one of these, you will go right to that course description. So you can find out what is taught in all of these classes by checking the course description guide. Here is a copy of your sophomore scheduling worksheet. Please put your name on the line that says student name. Please print clearly. First, we will talk about ELA, English. You have 2 options. ELA 10, which is 1020, a regular English class, or ELA 10, 1030, a more rigorous English class. If you know which one you would prefer, you may check the box now. Your next option is social studies. You have 4 choices. There is AP World History. AP stands for Advanced Placement. It is a lot of writing and reading, and if you enjoy world history, this might be a course for you. At the end of the year, you can sit for an AP exam, and if you do well, you might earn college credit. World History is an option. It is a more standard world history course. Humanities is a rigorous course, and it looks at the history of the world through more of a fine arts lens, literature, architecture, stuff like that. Global Studies looks at world history a little bit more contemporary and often involves current events. If you know which one you would like, please check the box now. Your next option is science. So you have many science options. Please consult with your current science teacher on what might be a good option for you. Physical science is a general science class. General chemistry is a chemistry class, which is less math-based than Chemistry 4200. So you might want to check with your math teacher and your science teacher for which chemistry class you should take, general chemistry or Chemistry 4200. You also have the option of earth science, which is looking at the earth and environmental science. There are other options as well, so please check with your science teacher to find which option might be the best for you. Next is math, and here is a copy of the handy dandy math map. You should definitely be talking to your math teacher about which placement would be best for you. Options might include Algebra 1B, Geometry, Math Topics, Algebra 2, Algebra 2 for Pre-Calc, or perhaps another math. Please check with your math teacher. Next, we come to Health and Human Performance, PE. You will need to select a PE class. You will also select an alternative PE class. So here are the listings of the courses. Their descriptions are available in the course description guide. You can also check with your PE teacher. If you know which one you would like, you could write down the number in the PE section. You should have a total of 6 credits for next year. You may have 7, and we will add those classes in the elective class. And that is on the right side of your paper. Again, you can refer to the course description guide for the listing of all of the courses and their descriptions that are offered in the Appleton Area School District. You can choose alternative courses in case a course that you choose is not running. You definitely should choose an alternative PE class, and then you have other options available to you as well. If you have questions, please talk to your teachers, talk to your school counselors, or your homeroom teacher. Thank you.